Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Antony, and in today's video, oh my god, I'm really excited. Today I'm going to talk to you about my top 5 favourite fashion brands. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel to grow. Please also leave a comment, tell me what you think of the video. I really want to try and create a community of fashion lovers where we all get together and just have a bit of a chat really. So yeah, go and comment. Okay, let's kick this off with my number 5. Misbehave. It is a Polish brand that originally started with t-shirts, and the funny story is, like, it was started with t-shirts and the creator wanted some t-shirts that were faux branded so they could go out and wear them into like pubs and clubs in Poland, and then it just evolved from there and then became this really cool brand, Misbehave. And now over the years it is producing collections for both men and women's wear. I really like this brand because it's very sportswear, athleisure inspired. It's got a bit of a motocross vibe, if you get what I mean by that. And it's very sexy, it's very bodycon, it's very edgy and wearable. And the collections just look really good. Every season they're layering on different pieces, making the collection bigger and bigger, and I just really like the way that it's heading. There's a lot of influencers who are wearing it right now, and yeah, I just think it looks really cool. Definitely one to look out for. Okay, my number 4. Ader. Now what I really like about this brand is it is formed in South Korea. I really like South Korea. I've been there a few times in my career. I go there sometimes on shopping and inspiration trips, and some of the best designs, shapes, silhouettes come out of South Korea. They are really innovative, and I just think South Korean style is something to watch out for. I mean, look at all the K-pop videos and the things that they're wearing in them videos. It just looks super cool, super fresh and really fun. But Ader was formed by a collective of artists and designers to really promote art and culture, and I think this brand does it really well. It's a relaxed, casual style but mixed with more traditional formal pieces, but in that more deconstructed aesthetic. What I like about the clothing is it feels very unisex, which is really good, and it's a common trend going through my top 5. Unisex clothing is a great way as a brand to promote it really quickly, because not only are men wearing it, but women are wearing it as well. And it also helps to keep your costs down. Rather than producing 2 collections a season, you're producing 1. And rather than doing loads and loads of different size sets, you're just doing one formulaic size set throughout the range, which is really clever and cost effective. The clothing feels contemporary, which I really like, and they've got some really cool key details on there, like having neon bungee cords coming off of the jeans, or the different kind of patches that you use, or the badges. They've got really nice prints, really nice embroidery, and I just think overall as a collection, Ader really nails it and hits it on the head. If you're liking these top 5 videos that I'm doing, I've got a few of them on my channel, so go and check them out. I've got my top 5 favourite apps for fashion designers, and I go through the best apps that you need as a designer to be amazing at your job. And then I've also got my top 5 favourite fashion websites. That is to help you with your fashion research. So if you're liking this video, go and check out them ones as well. I'll leave links up here. Okay, my number 3, Cold Laundry. Now what's really exciting about Cold Laundry, it is a London-based brand, which is super exciting, and it's all about ethically sourced clothing, which is great. And it is also unisex. Again, like I was saying for Ader, it's a really clever way of keeping your costs down when you're starting a new brand. I really love Cold Laundry because it has a beautiful colour palette. It uses a lot of soft pastels and neutrals and really nice delicate colours within their range, which is lovely to see. And they take really good, beautiful imagery for their collections, which is actually really useful for me as a designer, because I can use that imagery in my mood boards and like style detailing and things like that, so I can really portray how I want something to look. It's really modern and understated and very core product. It's a little bit oversized, which is great. And again, what I really like is the name Cold Laundry. Obviously it's an ethical brand, and using a name like Cold Laundry really kind of shows where their thinking is coming from, because when you're doing your washing at home, you do not need to put it on 30, 40 or even 60 degrees to get your clothes clean. If you wash it on a cold cycle, it gets just as clean, and it reduces the amount of energy that you use when you're washing your clothes. So again, it's more ethical. So I really like the train of thought of how they've named the brand. Okay, my number 2, 80s. Now 80s is a brand that I've been seeing around for a while, and I do really like them. They're really quirky and interesting. They're a Swedish-based brand and the name is spelled EYTYS, and the reason that they've spelled it like that is to indicate the Y within it as Generation Y, which is really clever, I think, because that is their target audience. So Generation Y is obviously from 1981 to 1996, I believe, so anyone born within that period is Generation Y, including myself, and I just think the way that they have pulled together the collection is really cool and interesting. The collection is really classic and laid back, it's slightly oversized and it's very inspirational. The kind of shoes and accessories is really out there. They're kind of different than I've been seeing across the market, so it's actually really nice to see that. 80s have a really good colour palette with all of its pastels and dusty tones, and I just really like the way that they use clever play with silhouettes. So it'd be like a really tight top and a really baggy trouser. It just seems really thought about and really intentional, which is nice. Okay, my number 1, Aimee Paris. So this brand was formed in 2011 by Alexander Matussi, and he is a former designer of really big brands such as Dior, Marc Jacobs and Givenchy. So he has got a really good pedigree when it comes to his design history and background. And I think you can really see that in the clothes that he designs. I've seen interviews with him in the past where he says that he is designing more for himself because the clothing that he was designing at all these major brands wasn't really connecting with him, and he felt like he was going overboard with some of the designs and that he really wanted to strip it back and make it really classic and casual and really kind of pull together a brand that is that way inclined. So what I really like about this brand is it's very classic, it's very understated, the details are very nice and simple and easy to understand. I think the kind of shapes and silhouettes that he uses are really on trend yet classic at the same time, and I just really like his fabrication choices. Overall, he's a really great designer and he really knows how to dress men and women. He designs pieces that have longevity so they can stay in your wardrobe for quite some time and still feel relevant in 5 or 10 years time, which is really good. And also when he's designing the collections, he's really thinking about price points, he's really thinking about the wearability, the shapes and silhouettes and all of that sort of stuff, and you can really see that coming through in the collection. And he has a really nice colour palette, mainly focusing on more classic colours such as browns, tans, denim colours, blacks and whites, and just more neutrally kind of things like that, which is really good because A, it never goes out of style, and B, you can have it in your wardrobe for as long as you want. He does introduce a few pop colours each season just to keep it fresh and relevant, but overall he's such a great designer. He's my favourite designer. I've bought a few pieces from him in the past and I love them. Alright, okay everyone, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. It really does help my channel to grow. Please also leave a comment. I really want to get chatting to you guys, get to know you a bit. So ask me some questions. Do you like these kind of videos? Do you want more how-to videos, more top 5 videos? Let me know in the comment section below. Please also check out my social media. Go follow me on Instagram and Twitter and all of that. You know what to do. Click follow. And please also check out my Etsy shop where you can buy CADs and vectors to help support you in your everyday design life. And it really does help to support this channel. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. Cha cha cha. Bye.